Hi folks, let's have a go at a simple snow scene. Cadmium yellow light, yellow ochre, cadmium red, ultramarine and Payne's grey. So with a bit of a light horizon. Bit of MDF, just rub down a little bit with some fine sandpaper. Now let's get some bit of a light, or against dark here, bit of contrast. Let's get some paint on. Can refine it as we go. Just cover. So that'd be our horizon there. So let's get a bit of a stormy, snowy stuff. Soften. Just Payne's grey, cadmium red and ultramarine. Ooh. Just slip my finger across one of these pins. I need to get some more of these. This one's wearing out now. Ooh, what was that? Something came off or something. Oh, it's a bit of tape. Right, we'll move away from that now. Well, no we won't, not quite. Bit of Payne's, bit of ultramarine, bit of red. Let's just got a bit of yellow in there. That needs to be a little bit darker in there. Soften. Okay, well we've got some sort of sky there now. So we need to change the brush, I think, to Georgian Data Rowney to get some trees. Creates a bit of illusion of distance. Okay, right, now we've got a contrast there, and we want to get some slightly grey here and there. Need to go right to the bottom because this only just fits the frame. It's a bit of an odds and end. Okay, now I want to put a bit of detail in there. Be careful here. A bit of green. I love using the 3 primaries for making greens. Okay, well, that's not that I want to do there. It's good. Just catch a little bit of there just to get a bit of that colour. In there. Right, I'll put that in a frame. Now that's as simple really as I can do, but maybe I'll make a bit of that a bit higher. Oh, just the 3 primaries. Sorry if my head's in the way. Okay, I'm going to let that go. I'm going to take this off. Just put it in a frame. I'll pack the frame out a little bit to even the top and bottom. Okay. Got a little bit of packing there. I'll stick it in the frame with I struggle trying to get pins in. It's a plastic frame, which is very hard, so let's use a bit of tape. I think we can what I was going to say, complicate our paintings with too much detail when all you really need is a suggestion. Right, let's just take that off. I'll give my palette a bit of a clean, but I'm going to, I keep it in a stay wet palette, and it's, they say reasonably moist. Oh look, I'm only, right. Well, there we are, some very, very simple, big sky, small landscape. But it gives an impression of space, a lot of space. I hope you like that one. I'll okay, right, I'll see you soon folks. Thanks for looking in. Bye bye.